Kardom, Nilimonjerong Pipi, Pinibirta, Arjuponikta. Rong check along APHLC mass joining awareness program do bom ahut inut bang hini BJP party claim bang phuatum Maiki Pridun. Nijang Karbi Anglong district headquarters Socheng constituency ke parlo rong check along APHLC mass joining awareness program kedeng pon. Labang so ahut APHLC atum mai do bom along BJP party atum Maiki Pridunji kabor iya long sitami mai abangki pachun pon pedetlo. Rong check arong along ke BJP party atum ingtang kring ajok haladak ke second bithung lopusi haladak arong aradatuk chipurinti. Bonsita pini ladak rong check along APHLC along don plike bra troxi ahem tunatum chepa ogdun lopusi jai kathar pen pherang kya thengno nang pachini dun. Labang swamai long Central Committee ben jai kathar lapen lamjai sarpo angtong ingti kathar Bikram Hanse Dhonestor rong phar lapen anut kaprek ke theki dinga tum chetong dun si ing samjen pen bang swamai pachun ponlo.
Chelsea tum aprang silo pusipu dak rong check along ni tum mass joining dulu mass joining do kadowe don plikebra troxy amunit BJP ong nai lo nang edun lapen Congress lapen ASDC dak nang dun lo lapen ke pini hello dak aprang silo ke do lapen ke Theklong loka do vetum ta ladak nang than ke hala bithung son si dakta posibu second bithung posibu second bithung posibu seta non ke BJP tumta chini lo hala BJP to pacho belam altang ke kitab pen lagi pu kali ni tum APHLC tuang ke kitab aron ben si pu la masi non ke ili tum long si APHLC tum long si jasmen nang dun lo non ke la pen election do vek ji po bangke la ke jok ta chini lo la bangke as India constitution long si ke tok do India Constitution Article 243 M long si ke tok do la ke ponchayat allo pen ke election pe do un e ange ponchayat allo pen election pe do bor idet lo la sini tum case ke file ke la non ke do ke damtang election ke la ke aron ri pen ke pe do election la por la ke cancel nahi pulo ange order ke chief justice tum ke la ke constitution ateng men si order pivek po theglor lo la si lage ni tum case mang ni tum highway po APHLC tum Karbi Anglong ara tum highway po la bangke anke la si election bang do thu vek po la si la ka pe do de dia phansi BJP tum ke la non case ta pe do hai he alang li tum ke adet ka pe do de dia phan lok si atarik ka pe do de dia phan lok se alang li tum ke claim lo la puyo
Greater Volongkomaji Press Club amahang ke pathekpon. Phaikuni ni phaithong kep arni langbung ding pi arong along dukeng pi picnic sport along District Press Club of Karbi Anglong atum penche tongsi Greater Volongkomaji Press Club amahang pathekponlo. Labang swamaya long kache tongdun DPC KMA phu digonto teron kongchon bang Daniel Sonbe lapen rapchon bang Vivian Longki rongpi lapen Volongkomaji KSA head branch me phu aki haikiron tung epo atum penchenglo Greater Volongkomaji Press Club ke claim ke dam ki mesenji aphan arnam along hirjume johang iglu. Volongkomaji pen mukrang terang Karbi Anglong News.
Salama. To pini phaikuni ni phai thongkep November 30 ani kime ani pini nilitum dukeng pi aroy Volongkomaji dukeng pi aroy labang so ari long Volongkomaji Greater Volongkomaji Press Club amhang pathek pon labang so amai long elitum kongchun bang khai Danielson beta nang chitong dun lapen elitum rap kongchun bang khai Vivian Longki rongpi alang lite nang chitong dun lasi nilihin pen Greater Volongkomaji Press Club amhang pathek labang ke ningarong piglo lapen alang litum bu kathar sang hutum nilifana choning risi je nilitum ta District Press Club along sinang cerap cetu dunji po alang litum nang chuning reteng mensi pini amhang pathek ponlo lapen alang litum han deng ponlo alang litum Greater Volongkomaji Press Club amai phula ke kadowe chedon sar pen alang litum bachingwai teng lake Royalson kathar lage mai phulo lapen Rustom Ingleng alang like kongchun bang lo lasi alang litum han tame kewang jilangar ni ke claim ke dam ke mesianji phan nilitum District Press Club of Karbi Anglong ahin pen alang litum han arna mehrjume hang pilo lapen alang litum sitame District Press Club of Karbi Anglong ahin men ke hok montang arona tang hala so teng pen alang litum ta ke claim ke dam nang cherap che todun po busi ning cepat hepen lam thei ing ton kok
Nijang Karbi Anglong ar lokido rongkhang large size multi-purpose cooperative society lems along ningkan isek rat amai pipedo ponsi puthot ningkan pho apharman aphan rongkhang lems ke chari ponji aphan kilik ke padopon Kedamtang Phaikuni Phaithongkep Arni, Rongkhang Large Size Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Lems Limited along, AGM Amai Kang Nipon along, Mongol Singh Be Pen Kacharipon Amai along, Alohiaman Pen Kachetongdun, Dr. Harsing Tarang Atum Pen Danglo, Longri Habe, Sorkari Gaubura, Rongasara Tumpen, Bangso Amai along Chetongpon Si Ing Samjin Pen Mai Piduponlo. Mai kipadopon along lem sachun bang dilip teron pen bang so alems along ningkan isek ang bong kelong lapen kipadam ahisap klardak pen chipi ponlo kado kawi ningkan arjon along bang so alems along kelong pon ahisap laki 81 lakh 39,080 lapen kipadam pon laki 81 lakh 39,080 kado kawi ahisap klardak pen chipi ponsi rat amai pi mesen pen pachun ponlo lapen labang so rongkhang lems along puthot ningkan pho kachari pon thuji aphan kili kipadopon along ke hai pon laki Tiang hoi pen Mongol be 352 vote chepalong pon si mesen pen chepa hai pon lo arloso ang hoi pen Pretty Kram sapi 330 vote pen chepa hai pon lo lapen Glories Teron pi 320 a vote pen chepa hai pon lo General along pen ke hai pon laki Dilip Singh be Babu Teron Babu Timu Bor Imphura Khor Singh Inghi Emmanuel Teron Im Ronghang Prodip Timu Biten Mara Rajen Dera Ranu Boro Rup Singh Timu Kado Kawe Bangkre pho atum mesen pen chepa hai pon si ningkan pho rongkhang lems kachari pon thuji aphan kilik along chepa hai pon pemilu Lakhakre Troxy Socheng Thenta ke parlo Langkiding School Kaikita Inghap Klinga Sonsi Dover Nona kaya hut loke Charlie anat kapaprang don akenang sot puki kado kawisitami chinilo. Karbi Anglong penta bang a district along ason loki Charlie anat paprang don nangji puki Karbi Anglong arata tumsitami anutin abang putinta lason kimat hapondo. Bonta lason loke Charlie ahem jongsi aningkan ningkan ing hapkling pulotangte koson si loke Charlie anat ki paprang don po. Lata arju memi. Langkiding LP School ing hapkling ajok hudak kedo langkiding rongphar arong au somar atumki ke Charlie athai kawe ajok okiri longlia dok along ki jui asar pia sar bura atumalong rit ki jui dun asonsi nangman nang koklu laso langkiding LP School along thanbang phu dhon sing kiling headmaster ojol nak latum seleri atangka chochot duty ke bang we ajok langkiding rongphar arong au somar atum na hok detlu Bangso Putha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Education EM Richard Toby Local MSc Kache Rong PP Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council MP MLA MSc EM Atum Thanbang Dhon Singh Kiling Lapen Ojulna Atum Aphan Thanbang Along Pen Amen Ing Thandetsi Kaprega Thanbang Nang Toira Asai Pacheklem Pamia Sonti Me Ikpar Jiputa Hudak Arong Aradatum Pen Ningjepon Athi Thanbang Atum Log Che Than The Pulotangte School Ahem Dota Avidet Asonsi Nangman Nang Lupusi Ningripon Rong Mong Vepen Jonasing Tiso, Karbi Anglong News. All Party Hills Leader Conference mati APHL Siasong Pen Pini Mukro Alama Puthak Pherang Kyamai Kang Nipon. Nijang Karbi Anglong Mukro Along, Kedamtang Arni Alam Ki Aputhak Pini All Party Hills Leader Conference mati Thihek Pen APHL Simei Phujiai Kathar Lapen, Sarkiri Rong Phar Atum Pen Pherang Kyamai Phaponsi Pherang Kyamai Ing Nipon. Labangso pherang ke amahe long kaning jepon ki mukro along lapuson alam ki ke donang koki ning duk lopusi chepaklang pon lapen penang analama puthak sitami pherang ke amahe long ning jepon News Desk Report Karbi Anglong News
reported that Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, Chief Executive Member, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, during his visit to Mukro on 29/11/2022, stated that he would not give even an inch of land of Karbi Anglong to any illegal settler. He has written in social media in connection with Mukro incident which occurred on 22 November 2022. In Mukro area, the settlers are only Khasis and Karbis. Both Khasis and Karbis are not illegal settlers in areas governed by the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Mukro is within 6th schedule area. The statement of the CEM has created a serious misunderstanding among the Khasi people. They have contended that if Khasis in Mukro area are illegal settlers, then the Karbis in Ribhoi area are also illegal settlers. The statement of Mr. Ronghang, CEM, is igniting hatred between the Khasis and Karbis. He must clarify his stand. He must clarify his statement as to what communities or tribes he has described as illegal settlers. Mr. Ronghang CEM must remember that during the days of Thong Nok Bay, the Khasis and Karbis took an oath at Khang Khatwi that henceforth no Karbi or Khasi would instigate and cause a conflict between the Khasis and the Karbis. That oath further said that if any Karbi or Khasi instigated and caused a conflict between the Khasis and Karbis, himself or herself, and he or she should never have his or her progeny, and his or her line should perish. In memory of that agreement, the Karbi king and Karbi chiefs and Khasis are continuing to observe the 5th and 6th of February every year, even to this day, as the day of that agreement. The All-Party Hill Leaders Conference of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau assert that the Karbis and Khasis are not illegal settlers in 6 scheduled areas in Meghalaya and in Karbi Anglong. The question of having pata or no pata of land and whether reserve forest or not is a different question. Thank you. আমি ক'বলগীয়া কথাটো তেনেকুৱা, এই যোৱা 29 তাৰিখে আমাৰ CEM সাহাব